Morning everybody from Animal Kingdom. Today I'm here meeting a friend who's actually moving away, so we're going to spend the day together. We're going to start here in Animal Kingdom and then we're going to go over to Hollywood Studios later. I'm not really sure how much of this I'm actually going to show today, and I don't even know if this will ever actually be in a video, but I figured I'd record all this here just in case I saw something cool or whatever. But I am here by myself right now, and I've mentioned in other videos that I've never been to a park by myself, and this is actually now officially the first time. So I'm sure people are going to look at me all weird. It's one thing I don't like to do. I don't like to talk to my camera and have everybody staring at me because I don't know, I think I just look silly. But I'm going to take you with me, and yeah, let's go inside Animal Kingdom and see what they have. We'll do it together. Alright, so I wanted to take a look at the wait times here. Holy cow. It is going to be a super light day here. What is this? That's temporary down Cali River Rapids. Figures because it's really hot out, but yo, like Dinosaurs 15 minutes. Everest is 25. Navi has a longer wait than Avatar. That's insane. It's gonna be a great day. I'd like to give you updates on some stuff, but I actually haven't. Oh, there's somebody back here. Oh, look at this. She's out feeding the. How fun. I've never, ever seen this before. That's pretty cool. Okay, I would love to update you on some stuff, but I actually haven't been here in a little while, so I guess we're kind of all going into this a little blind because I don't know if anything's new. I just came here because my friend said that this is where she wanted to go, so I didn't really look anything up. I love how beautiful this is in here. Guys, somebody just asked me where the Jurassic Park ride is. I'll just let you unpack that one. There's people down there. You see them moving. Huh. Wonder what's happening down there. Maybe some kind of tour. I didn't think you could go down there. Oh well. Alright, let's go check out some merch. I've never seen these before. There's some down there, but there are people standing there, so I don't want to check. Oh, actually, I could tell you it's $24.99. Never seen it before. Yeah, look at this. They actually have it unwrapped. Mermaid. Cute. Still trying to talk my husband into getting this for me. Tell me he's not the cutest thing you've ever seen. I don't think he wants me to have it. I just spotted all the Pride stuff. That's what I wanted to come in here and show you. Maybe I didn't. Hold on. Oh no. Oh no, I think it's over here. Here's all the new Pride merchandise. Aww. $20. That's cute. Like that. Toy. $14.99. Fierce and Fabulous. Also $14.99. This one's $19.99. I don't even know why I looked because I literally held it in my hand. This one's $11.99. And this one $14.99. These are really cute. Plaid shirt, $22.99. Little backpack. Oh, I don't like the feeling of that. Is $39.99. Hat is $30. Fan is, there's no price on it, so I don't know. I do like this hoodie though. The hoodie is $64.99. This is adorable. If I wore this kind of tank top, I would totally buy it. 30 bucks. Oh, it's really soft. I love this too. It's black. 30 bucks. Oh, I love this the most though. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love me a zip up hoodie. $64.99. Honestly, I thought it'd be more. This one is $34.99. This is like a fanny pack. 40 bucks. Seems kind of expensive, doesn't it? Blanket. Oh, look at this tray. $29.99. Here is the Spirit jersey. I'm not a Spirit jersey person, so like I'm not a huge fan, but I do like that it says Disney Pride on it. And this is probably 70 bucks, but let's see. Literally doesn't have a price on it. Do none of these have prices on them? No, I have no idea how much they are. Yeah, so that's it. Love it. I love it all. Okay. So that was it. Oh, look, they have some little kid ones too. Like a little baby onesie. A kid's t-shirt.
Due to this recent eye opener, the duo is hot on the quest for more dino discoveries. Let's cheer on our famed adventurers!
Just a little bit of, it's one of those things that you never really think about, but if you notice all the doors in Animal Kingdom, including the bathrooms, have doors that swing out. And that's because if an animal ever gets loose, people can get inside and not have to worry about an animal getting in. I've seen this shirt, but I've never seen this one. Nor have I ever seen this one. Look at him. $34.99. Is that new? I wonder if that's new. I've never actually seen it before. But if you're a Donald fan or a Goofy fan, you have some options.
But he can't wear it on his...
Oh, Pluto one too, but this one's a tank top. These are the other ones. No, I think that's it. Oh, it.
Were you ready to quit timing or no?
Nope, that was it. For those of you that are collecting the Decades bag, this is the newest one. And these are the newest ears. They have like this little, I can't, how do you get this thing to go up? Oh, you have to turn it? Oh yeah. Turn it, and then that goes up. It's 20,000 leagues.
It's holographic.
Under the sea. Oh yeah.
She changes.
Yeah. Huh. And that's $40. And then the dog. What's the dog? Why can't I think of what the dog's name is? Who is the dog? The Shaggy dog. There you go. From a young boy named Will. Oh wait. Follows the comedic adventures of a young boy named Wilby Daniels. Okay.
How much is he?
He is $34.99. Come back from Flight of Passage. We just got off that. It's Festival of Lion King. Look over here. They made a Mickey out of flowers. How pretty. So now we are headed to the safari. And then after the safari, we're going to head over to Hollywood Studios. It's freaking hot. There's literally nobody here. This is amazing.
90 degrees.
Yeah. Oh, I know. It's so hot. Like, this is crazy.
So up first, over on the left, these are the greater kudu. And they are female kudus. Males, they'll get long spiraled horns on their heads. But if you look on over to the right, on the other side of the bushes, that's an okapi. Lots of different animals here. Also on the right, there's that large black and white bird, the saddle-billed stork. And then laying down on the left behind the trees, bongos. Healthy lives. Now the blackbirds that you see, those are vultures. And the taller skinny white birds, those are egrets. But the larger white birds, those are pink-backed pelicans. They get their name because the skin on their backs turns a blush pink during mating. That's the most I've ever seen. Now it kind of looks like these hippos are swimming, but hippos don't actually swim. They sink themselves down to the bottom of the river floor and walk or run across. And it looks like there's a few hippos out on the land, including the youngest hippo over on the left back there.
Oh my gosh.
Now a group of hippos like this is called a bloat. So known as the Tree of Life. You saw a really big one when you first came into the park today. But it's called the Tree of Life because it holds and absorbs that water really well. So during the drought months, the animals will come to it to get that water out. That's why I love it so much. Especially elephants. They'll use their tusks to puncture the tree bark. It's kind of like what we do with the juice box and a straw. Massive horns. This is an Ankole cattle. And they're the oldest known domesticated cow. They can be traced back over 6,000 years, back to the Egyptians. Look at the rest of the herd up ahead too. It could be more bulls, it could be the females. Let's go see. There's the female herd on the left. And good eyes. Sounds like there's some future safari drivers here today. Flamingos. Now these are the white rhinoceros. When fully grown, white rhinos, they'll be over 5,000 pounds. They are the second largest land animal behind elephants. It also looks like there's some ostriches further back by the warden's truck too. The largest of the birds. Now you remember that species survived between two of the older ones? Now one of my favorite facts about rhinos is actually about their horns. So a lot of people, they do know that their horns are made of keratin, just like our fingernails. So they continue to grow and grow. And sometimes you'll see the rhino polishing that horn on a rock or a tree. That's basically the rhino's version of a manicure. But
Excuse me, you lady.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Sure, Goofy, I guess I could do that.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Alright, I'm gonna come out this way and heading to the left. Why was I expecting that?
We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Nick and Nick.
Sure you take good care of our friends.
What could possibly go wrong?
Apparently there's a whole bunch of hidden Mickeys in there.
Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready and...
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent.